Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. It's already 9 o'clock this morning. You see it says 54 degrees. Today we got a high of 65, but then you see tomorrow it says some rain. And then Saturday, look at that, 39 and 23. And then Sunday, and we'll be back out there next week to get to work. But today we got just a few appointments, not very busy day. Kids don't have school Friday and Monday, so I'm going to get them after I'm done working today and try to figure out what I'm going to cook today, because our last few days I have not cooked dinner like I said I would. But it's a beautiful day. Right now we should have been gone, but I'm putting water in my tank and things like that. Then I got to stop at the gas station, things like that. Then we get on the road and we headed to where we need to be. But like always, man, we appreciate you checking out the channel, a vlog of a detailer. And like I said, if you're wondering what happened to the other stuff that was on the channel, you might have to go check out our new channel at Around Nashville to go see that content, things like that. But for to go ahead and finish doing what I'm doing, man, so I can get to work and get there on time. And like always, continue to be great. We're gonna do what I do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so you can do what you gotta do. And I'm gonna do what I gotta do. You know. And I'll catch y'all in a minute, peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this first stop out here in Cool Springs, Tennessee, man. Right now we're doing this Ford Bronco Outer Brinks edition. We already did the interior of the car. Interior was not that bad, but it was dirty. But y'all already see the exterior of the car wheels a little dirty. You can tell she hasn't got her car clean really that well since the snow, but we got all the dirt and debris that was in the car. Had a little dog hair here and there. Dirt's on the back of the seat. You know, the doors are a little dirty, like always. But we about to go ahead and hit these door jams. You see the door jams pretty dirty, things like that. So we make sure we take care of the whole car. Make sure we get the whole car looking immaculate. We already got the buckets out, vacuum out, things like that. We got 2 more cars, I think, here, and then we got 2 house calls to make. But other than that, man, it's a beautiful day. Hope you have a beautiful day too. And remember, man, if you're new to the channel or you're not new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit it today. Let's go ahead and do that. And like always, man, I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so you do what you gotta do, or I'm gonna do, or you do what you gotta do, so I can do what I gotta do, man. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We finally got this first car done. Got it looking amazing. So finna let her know we done. Go ahead and get paid. Pull up the next car and get started. Like I said, we still got 2 more house calls to make after this. But the car came out well. I love the color of this car. I know y'all see the same color on my channel a lot, but it seems like this is the #1 color for these Ford Broncos. Because if you know, I do the 2-door one. This is a 4-door one. And you see this one over there, the same color. But about to go ahead and knock it. Well, it's already knocked out. You see it got a gleam. You remember those tires had a grayish, brownish look, but now they look amazing. But y'all already know, man, take pride in whatever you're doing, man. Remember that. When you take pride in it, it's not considered a job. It's just you doing what you want to do. But on that note, I'm going to go ahead and park it, and I'm going to catch you in a minute. Peace. Good day, Detail World. Right now, we're doing the second car today, which is this Nissan Rogue. We already did the driver's side of the car. Right now, we're working on the passenger side. You see we got the vacuum out, but if you look in here, it's a little dirty. You look at the doors, look how dirty the doors are, things like that. You get in here, look at this carpet. Looks crazy. Seats dirty. Sand everywhere. So we definitely finna get in here and do what we do best. Like I said, we already knocked that side off. You look over here, it's a little dirty. Even the seat. See how dirty the seat look compared to that seat. So we already got the console and all that wiped off. We finna, like I said, get here in the back. Do what we do best, man. Y'all know we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So when you take pride in whatever you're doing, man, remember the job ain't nothing. We still got 1 more vehicle to do here, and still got those other 2 stops where I'm waiting to see if the other lady if she still want me to come, because it may rain tomorrow. So I just try to let my customers know it's gonna rain, because I don't ever want nobody to think I'm trying to get their money from them. But we'll go ahead and finish doing my job, man. And got the drill out because those carpets are a little dirty. But y'all know how it go, man. Hit that subscribe button, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world. Y'all already know what to do, man. We got this second car knocked out, which is this Nissan Rogue. Y'all remember what the car looked like? Literally had them black marks all right there. We got those off. You remember what the interior looked like? Literally was dirt, the sand all on the seats. We actually got all that done. So we got the car looking immaculate, got it looking good. Definitely gonna be enthused with the work. And if not, man, I really don't know what to say. I don't know what people expect when they give you their cars and they look the way they look, and then you transform them back to this. So if she's not enthused with the work, that's all I can say. She's not, but she should be. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the next car, because I still got another house call to make. The other house call canceled because of the rain tomorrow, but y'all already know how that go. Let me do what I do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We working on this third car today, and if you can see it, man, it's a little dirty on the exterior, and the interior pretty dirty too. She got a lot of dog hair and stuff like that. I usually charge $150 for the service, and I let her know, and she's like, why so much? It's like, it's always there because your car is dirty like all the time. Like, I always got to deal with her car looking like this. But she's like, I only got $130, but that's what I'm saying. You only got $130, well, look at this. So it'd be unfair if I left half the dirt in the car because I only got $130 worth of payment. But I don't work like that, and that ain't how you should work, man. Do what you gotta do and let these people know, man, the reference is what it is. If they don't want to pay the price next time, I won't do a car. But other than that, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and knock it out real quick. I'm gonna work on the exterior first. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it and put up the stuff, and then we get to the next stop. But y'all already know, man, continue to be great, man. Remember, your greatness is within you, man. A lot of people don't know that, man. So it may take somebody like me to motivate you, but I'm gonna go ahead and do what I need to do, man. You do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, finally got this last car over here of me out here in Cool Springs, Franklin, Tennessee. We did the interior, exterior on the car came out well. Just noticed she had paint right there, but she didn't ask me to get off, so I'm not gonna worry about it. I got other appointments, well, another appointment to get to, but remember the car had all those dog hair and things like that. We got it all up. Got the car looking immaculate like always. Y'all already know we take so much pride over here in Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And I try to tell y'all, no matter what y'all doing in life, man, make sure you take pride in it, man, because when you take pride into it, it'll get you way further in life than what you expect. But I'm gonna go ahead and park this car, get paid, head to the next stop, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. Washing cars like this is a little arduous, and the reason I say that is because these cars got all these little grooves and stuff, so you got to make sure you get inside here, clean that. Little areas like this, you know, it's just so small and tedious, you know, so you got to make sure you get in all these little areas, things like this, you know, things like this. Even just on just the whole car, the way the car made. And then the reason he wanted me out here is I already cleaned this car, but he was saying he had something on this car, and I have no idea what he was doing to get this off. What was he doing? He actually got the car scratched right here, right here, right here, right here, even on the glass. So that's crazy. So I'm trying to figure out what was he using. But we're about to go ahead and work on this exterior first. The inside, not that bad. That's one thing I will admit. And like I said, we already got the equipment out like always. You know what I mean? You can't do your job if you don't have the equipment. But like I said, I'm about to go ahead and knock it out. Do what I got to do, man. Y'all already know we take so much pride in what we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So you do what you got to do, man. And like I said, man, if you got a car like this, you got to make sure when you doing it, you're getting inside all these little areas. Cause look at that, how dirty that is in there. You know what I mean? But other than that, man, I'm gonna go ahead and do my job, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. All right. Detail world. I think it's the last one, man. But she just basically just said, come on. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave here, go to this next stop, man. But other than that, y'all already know, man, we take so much pride in the work we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing. Now, I will admit I was over here to probably get these scratches and stuff off this car, but they're a little bit deeper in the paint. So I'm gonna have to bring some different wax. And I noticed there's more, and once I walked around, I saw it's in other areas too. But I'm about to go ahead and let them know I'm done so I can get paid. And I gotta be at this house Monday. So I'm gonna do it when I'm at this house Monday. You see the sun about to go down over there, about to low, but about to go ahead and let them know we done, get paid. Let's show you a quick interior. The interior never really that bad in this car, but you see what it look like. Got these nice seats right here, you know. But y'all already know, man, continue to be great. We're gonna be great together, or you know, you already know how it goes. I don't know why I keep saying that, but I'm gonna catch y'all in the missing. Peace. Detail world, sun going down. And right now we made it to the last stop. Got the vacuum going. Sorry if it's loud. You had to bring out some good towels, but if you look at the interior of the car, I'm only gonna be able to get the interior done if you see it, man. It's a little hellacious in here, but you already know, man. We take pride in what we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, so you already know, man. We won't be able to get to the exterior of the car because I'm looking at the I'm not gonna get to the exterior because I'm looking at the interior of the car. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride in what we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And like I tell you, man, when you take pride in whatever you're doing, remember, it's not considered a job. I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, detail world, man. We finally finished this car. It took us a little time to get it done, but you see the sun completely down now. It's dark out here, but we got the interior completely done, man. We had to pull out that light, but Car looks good. I know she's definitely gonna be happy with the work, but y'all already know, man, what it looked like prior to. It had stuff all on the seats, waste, all that. But got the car looking good, smelling good. But I hope y'all stay great. Remember, man, love thyself. You can't love nobody if you don't love yourself, man. Remember that, man. It's all about self-love, self-care, especially 24, you know, but hope y'all have a blessed night. I'm about to go pick these kids up. And hopefully we can work tomorrow if it don't rain. But y'all already know, one love and peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.